Hi, my name's Lucy. I'm a teacher on the photography course at International Career School. I'm here to tell you a bit about myself and the course and why you should do it. So I live in Manchester in the UK and I work as a photography lecturer, photography technician, and I have my own freelance photography business where I shoot weddings, portraits and all sorts. So I got into photography when I was really young. I had a film point and shoot camera. I would take photos of everything, so family, friends, holidays. And I love that moment when you were waiting for the photos to come back. You didn't quite know what you were going to get. I just found it really exciting. Obviously, photography developed into digital, and now we have cameras literally at our fingertips. I love that photography is a visual language, but it's also an international language. We can break those barriers and we can talk to people who maybe we wouldn't be able to communicate with photography. So on this course, you're going to learn everything about photography in a really short time. So you'll be learning about all the exposure settings, all the different settings on your camera. You'll be learning about editing, about taking different styles of photos, so portraits, landscapes, etc. You'll also be learning a bit about the different genres and how you can get into them and how to market yourself as a freelance photographer. So if this sounds like something for you and something you'd love to get involved in, then sign up now and book your place on my group. I look forward to seeing you. Bye.